Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn more about the tracing feature of TwistedBrush. The tracing feature allows you to see a ghost image of another page or cloning source. This can act as a guide for creating a new image. First, open the image you want to use as a guide. Select Set Page as Clone, Tracing Source from the Page menu. Open a new page from the Page Explorer. Select Tracing Paper from the Page menu. You can also add a quick key for tracing on the Quick Command panel. Now the ghost image of the other page appears. It overlays everything on this page and can't be edited. You won't be able to take color samples from it with the color picker tool either. For this purpose you will need to set the original image as a reference image. You can start painting over the guide. When you are ready, just select Tracing Paper from the Page menu again and the ghost image will disappear.